Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at 54 Corbett Street in Port Hope. This amazing home is situated on a good-sized town lot. It's in a great location and it has many upgrades. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you enter the home, you'll see the gourmet kitchen with high-end finishes, granite countertops, and backsplash. It's open to the family room with gas fireplace, and the dining room. The primary bedroom is dreamy with a walk-in closet, a 4-piece bath with a custom shower. The main level has an additional bedroom and a 4-piece bath. The second level has a grand loft open to the main level. There's also a spacious bedroom and a 3-piece bath. The lower level has a kitchenette, a dining area, and an extra large rec room. It also has a spacious bedroom, a 3-piece bath, and laundry room. A great feature is the finished 2-car garage. You'll love the backyard with a nicely finished deck.